you ever wondered how long we can truly live? Forget what you've heard before because the answer might be longer than you ever imagined. What if I told you that living to 150 years old isn't just a fantasy, but a real possibility backed by emerging science? Stick around, because we're about to dive deep into the secrets of aging and uncover how we might be able to turn back the clock. First, let's get one thing straight. Age isn't just the number on your birthday cake. That's your chronological age, the time you've spent on this planet. But what really matters is your biological age. Think of it as the real age of your body, a measure of the health and vitality of your cells. You could be 50 chronologically but have the biological age of a 40-year-old, or vice versa. This is the number that truly dictates your health and ultimately your lifespan. So, what determines this biological age? It's a complex mix of factors. Genetics certainly play a part, dealing us our initial hand of cards. But it's our environment and lifestyle that truly shape our destiny. Exposure to pollutants, the diseases we encounter, and even our daily habits have a massive impact. For example, did you know that chronic lack of sleep can literally age your cells faster? It's the small, everyday choices that compound over time, either speeding up or slowing down our internal clock. Let's zoom in on what's happening inside our bodies as we get older. Imagine your DNA as a perfect long instruction manual. With every passing day, this manual gets tiny rips, smudges, and typos. This is DNA damage. It accumulates over time, causing our cells to become less efficient and eventually start to malfunction. This cellular decline is the very essence of aging. It's why our organs don't work as well as they used to, why we feel less energetic, and why our biological age increases, even if our chronological age ticks by at the same steady pace. Our bodies are essentially accumulating damage that makes them older and more fragile. For centuries, we've accepted this process as an irreversible one-way street. Aging was seen as an inevitable slide into decline. But what if that's not the whole story? Recent breakthroughs in science are painting a very different and much more hopeful picture. Scientists have discovered a remarkable cellular process called anastasis, which literally means rising to life. This isn't science fiction. Anastasis is a natural process where cells, even those on the brink of death, can reverse damage and essentially rejuvenate themselves. Think of it like a cellular reset button. When faced with stress, instead of giving up and dying, some cells can trigger this incredible repair mechanism, clearing out damage and restoring themselves to a younger, healthier state. This discovery challenges the fundamental belief that aging is a point of no return. It suggests that our cells have a built-in capacity for renewal that we're only just beginning to understand. This opens up a mind-blowing possibility. If cells can rejuvenate, can we? The discovery of anastasis is a game-changer. It means the wear and tear we associate with aging might not be a permanent sentence. Scientists are now racing to understand how to control and trigger this process. Imagine therapies that could encourage your cells to repair themselves, effectively lowering your biological age. We're not just talking about looking younger. We're talking about making our organs, our tissues, our entire bodies function as if they were younger. This research shifts the conversation from simply extending life to improving health span, the number of years we live in good health. The goal isn't just to reach 150, but to reach it with the vitality and energy of someone decades younger. By targeting the root causes of aging at the cellular level, we might be able to prevent age-related diseases before they even start. We're on the cusp of an era where we can actively intervene in the aging process. So, how can we apply this right now? While we wait for these advanced therapies, we can still influence our biological age. The factors we discussed earlier, sleep, diet, stress management, exercise, are all powerful tools. They work by reducing the cellular stress that leads to damage, giving our bodies the best possible chance to repair and maintain themselves. Every healthy choice you make is a vote for a lower biological age. You have more control than you think. The idea of living to 150 is no longer a distant dream. It's a scientific possibility that is getting closer every day. By understanding the difference between chronological and biological age and harnessing the incredible power of cellular rejuvenation, we are rewriting the rules of human longevity. The future of aging is not about inevitable decline, but about renewal and a longer, healthier life. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the future of human lifespan. It's an incredibly exciting time in science, and we're just scratching the surface. If you found this fascinating and want to stay updated on more breakthroughs like this, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments, how long do you think humans will eventually be able to live? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.